Goes my heart with the promise in blue white dancing.
Wait, what? We're checking on the board. Turn off the front light for me. Okay. Golly. It's not responding. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to take the groundhog and put it in the hole.
Last one did this only one person touched the calendar. See you there?
Put your groundhog in the hole. Sunday was.
Why are you being nice to me?
I'm nice all the time.
Is your backpack new? It's so clean. I got mine like the beginning of the school year and it's so dirty already. I'm like, ow. Is that recording? Oh, lovely.
Did you see it?
I didn't do it right, I don't think.
I really think we get it. I wouldn't be saying all this, but I think we have to do this every day. We play this 7
But no, I didn't send it. Bro, you
all right. Phone charger?
Why were all of you up like midnight last night? Like, I didn't text your Brandon. I was getting like everyone else messaging me back. I'm like, looks like everyone else is up tonight.
I was trying to go sleep like 3 times, and I ended up turning my phone completely off. So I was trying to, like, it was on loud. So I was like, turn on vibrate, and then it was like,
No, Brandon like texted like 5 times. And no, this morning I was like 6:30 and Brandon was texting me like, shut up.
He's like, so do we really have school? He said, I can't skip anymore. He's like,
Paper, the calculator, your phone, out. And let's try a few of these active learning questions. Check your homework. You're not gonna have the homework that was assigned for today. You don't have to do. You'll work on your review. This one is due tomorrow. Tonight's homework you don't have to do. I want you to focus in on that review, and I've got people that haven't started it yet.
well, that's actually like super easy.
Huh?
So that's super easy.
It should have been, because that's your test. You got a test Friday, and I really need you to be focusing in on everything that we've learned this chapter. That review is a good overall picture of what you need to know. Okay. If we do not get through all the active learning questions, they are available on the website, so you can do those at home. The first screen will have the problem, and then it'll be followed by the answer. So you can check it won't have the voting available, but it will have the question and the answer, so you can work along through that. All right, let's take a look at this. If f of x is x plus 3, I am going to come around and check it in just a minute. If f of x is x plus 3 and g of x is x squared plus 2, what is f plus g of x? When you figure it out, text your answer to 37607. Nope. Nope.
Wait,
F plus G, Sarah.
hold on. Is it the same number as last time?
Yes.
I have nothing to do today, so
Let me do my math. Okay.
that's something cool to talk about. My brother's getting a diabetic dog.
It's to help him.
If his blood sugar's like low before he even texts it, and he'll be able to go get his meter or anything out of the fridge, snack.
How old is your brother?
15. But it'll go to school with him, and it'll have like a little vest on that says service dog.
It can go to Walmart, it can go to the grocery store, service dog.
It's pretty cool. It's it'll either be a black lab or chocolate lab or like one of the golden labs.
That's exciting. Alright. Now let's look at the answer to this question. No, I'm not. Okay, let's establish some rules for a second. You can text your answers. You cannot be on Facebook or Instagram or anything else right now, okay? You've got to be doing what we're supposed to be doing. We've established that before, but I've seen people on different websites. John's supposed to be on. Okay, let's take a look at the answers. No, I didn't. If we add these together, oh, that's so cool.
That was still my lunch.
No, I'm not. He's lying.
I will. Hey, where did you say it?
Okay. Looks like for the most part we've got a good understanding of this. All you're going to do, if the question is f of x, f plus g of x, that is the same thing as saying f of x plus g of x. So all you're going to do is you're going to add got the x squared, there's nothing combined with the x, so it's plus x, and then if you add the 2 and 3 together, you get plus 5. Okay, x squared plus x plus 5. Good job. Alright, let's go back and clear that one out and look at another one.
Wait, how many people got it?
We had 85% got it.
Yeah.
So,
Good.
out of 13 people, 11. We're getting there. There is a difference between f times g of x and f of g of x. Okay, we're going to talk about that. Okay, next question. Given that f of x is x squared minus 4 and g of x is the square root of 3 minus x, find the domain of g divided by f. Find the domain of g divided by f. Only where it That's alright. That's alright. Now you may need some paper. You may need some paper to work these out. And then text your answer, please, to 37607. Figure out the domain. Several ways you can do this. So I'm going to get some input from people as to how you do this. We're just looking for the domain. What values are possible for x? What values are possible for x? You need a calculator?
But seriously, this time was just like one number plus. It wasn't like.
Blake? John, hands it down when you come check it on your paper.
Because negative 2 squared is 4. So isn't it D?
No, negative, it doesn't recognize it in the calculator. What's the negative calculator? The calculator there. I got yelled at by my cult for that many times.
Okay. So you know.
Yeah. Miss Lucy, you know how BB calls and their number's 555? Yes. Allison said she didn't answer because she thought it was the devil.
No number has that many times in it. I'm just
scared.
Okay. What would the domain be? Let's see what you said the answer was. If I need more time.
2 or negative 2.
Alright, we have result of.
Wait, I didn't vote.
Okay, I'll come check it.
She's gonna listen to that video.
Today in technology. Right here.
It's not such a smart board.
Okay, I don't know if that's right or not, but it has more answers. But it's not overwhelmingly convincing to me. 56% answered C, so let's take a look at it. Alright, I heard several conversations going on between partners. Brianna, what did you say when you were talking to Allison back there?
That negative 2 squared is a positive 4.
Okay, so that would mean that it could be negative 2
or 2.
or 2. Because when you write this, it's g divided by f. So on the top, you're going to have the square root of 3 minus x. And on the bottom, you're going to have x squared minus 4. And so Brianna noticed that it couldn't be 2, because that would give you 4. And it also can't be negative 2, because negative 2 squared is 4. So it can't be positive 2, because you'd be divided by 0. It can't be negative 2, because you'd be divided by 0. Is there anything else that x cannot be?
Because it could be 3.
Why?
It could be equal to 3, because that would be the square root of 0, and that's on top, and that's fine. Where did you get 2 from?
Why can't it be?
Because you're trying to figure out when would this denominator equal 0, because x can't be that number. So if x were 2, then on the bottom you'd have 2 squared minus 4, which is 0. You'd be dividing by 0. It can't be negative 2 either, because negative 2 squared is 4, minus 4 is 0. So neither 2 nor negative 2, there's also something else. Like under the radical can't be negative, right?
Square root plus.
So I think I
Can't be anything greater than 3. So it can't be anything greater than 3.
Booyah.
Can't be -2. It can't be +2. Which answer results in that?
Why is the A B the same? Oh, it's not.
Wait, why are those so
D.
Grant says it's D. C. Let's talk. Okay.
I just typed it in my Y
But
equals.
if it can't be greater than 3, it has to be D
You can
because
do that, right?
C goes all the way to infinity.
It's gonna be D.
What?
Boom! Like that.
A calculator
And I want to talk to you about the ones that try to go on the calculator. That's a good idea to verify your answer. I'd rather not be using that all the time. It can't be 2. It can't be -2, and it has to be less than or equal to 3. Because anything larger than 3, like if it was 4, then underneath this square root, you have the square root of 3 minus 4, which is the square root of -1, which is not a real number. You can't have a negative underneath your radical. So you have to find values of x that are smaller than or equal to 3. Keep all 4 legs from Cheryl. All right. So x can't be 2. It can't be -2, and it has to be less than or equal to 3. So if you're looking on a number line, all right, here's 3. So it has to be less than or equal to 3. But it can't be 2. So at 2, I'm going to need to have an open circle. It can't be 2, and it can't be -2. So basically, my graph is going to be that it can be anything from -infinity until I get to -2. But it can't be -2. So then it's going to go from -2 to 2. And then it's going to go from 2 to 3 and have a bracket. If you're checking on your calculator to verify, Grayson, how did you tell on your calculator that that was okay? That was your answer.
Well, I put C.
Okay.
But
It can equal 3. So, and if you look on your calculator, you see how this C goes from 2 to infinity? If you're checking on your calculator, 3 will have an answer, but 4 will say error, and 5 will say error, and 6 will say error, and 7 will say error. All the way on down,
I just put a C
it should
because
have error. Anything bigger than 3 will have error. It ends at 3. If you graph this function, there will be no part of the graph beyond the +3. So it's not going to infinity. Okay. So even though we had 56% answer C, that was not a right answer. Okay? If we would just now we're going to all change our answers. Okay. Grand.
What?
Talk about what you need. You explain something?
Explain something to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would it help the others?
No, I don't know about it.
No.
Okay, let's look at another one. Construct and simplify the difference quotient. This was number 16 on your review. Okay? They give you the equation, the difference quotient. It is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. That's the difference quotient. It was a problem. Several problems in your homework in section 2.2. You may want to go back and look at the examples in 2.2. Yeah, I tried that one. Bless you.
Let's keep it down over there, please.
Great on the video. Which is why I said,
you know what we're doing.
It was so bad, she had to send it every single thing you recorded.
good thing I get to know.
Wait, where'd you get that equation from? Or did I just...
It's the formula for difference quotient.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am, Ashley.
I never learned how to do the difference equation because I wasn't here that day and the day that I was supposed to.
Evaluate what is f of x plus h. Find f of x plus h. and then we'll go from there.
Where is this mystery H at?